Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
All are tired, attending class.
No, ma'am.
No. Tomorrow exam is there, no? Community health.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that is multiple choice. It means 20 mark. Okay. In that 20
Okay,
mark,
ma'am.
whatever I am teaching, inside all I will ask. Understand? Not in 1 and 2 chapter. Up to here, whatever finish means just multiple choice. Means you can understand easily, easy question only. Tomorrow I will conduct 3 to 4. Okay. How you know? Before you writing now multiple choice question.
Yes, ma'am.
Same. I will send one email ID. You correct the answer. Send that same within 1 hour, half an hour. You send the back into mail. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next one is the next chapter. Family healthcare settings. Okay. Family healthcare settings. Family health provide, besides the cure of disease, various activities and program in prevention, rehabilitation and health promotion for all members of family. What is family healthcare setting means? Rehabilitation and promote the health and prevention of the disease in the family members. Okay, it applies to each individual members of the family and it the family as a whole, considered as a unit of health and a unit of care. Okay, in one family we are taken means in that all family members can health and means prevention of disease, promotion of health, all we want to take the care. That is the family health care settings. What is the principles of family health care settings? Family should be encouraged to be self-sufficient to fulfill their needs and pay attention to nutrition, health, and family welfare. Family should be encouraged to self-sufficient to fulfill their needs. All needs they want to encourage them and pay attention to nutrition. It means they are not eating sufficient nutrition food means that you should attend to the problem and health and family welfare. And at every contact visit, the message should be given that it is important for the point of view of family health. Every visiting, whenever she is visiting the family, she should provide the advice to the family member. And participation of family members is essential in the family health nursing service. Okay, any service in community, any society, we should advise to them to participate in the all services. That is the principle. And family should be encouraged to self-sufficient to fulfill the same only at every contact visit. Same only. Next one is the purpose of. What is the purposes of family health service? Protection against disease, providing essential treatment, providing comfort and relief from pain into the patient, giving a support and empathy to the patient and his family, and using domestic equipment for the nursing, and providing health education, and giving as much respect as possible to the faith and belief of the family during the procedure. That is the purposes of the family health service. Protection against disease. Whatever protection against disease we want to take means that one purpose, providing essential treatment. We should provide the essential treatment and providing comfort and relief from the pain into the patient. Comfort, relief of pain and comfort the patient. and giving support and empathy to the patient and his family. Any patient is there means giving the support to empathy and empathy to the family member also. And using domestic equipment for nursing. It means domestically where we are using in house whatever equipment, that how it is using for a nursing management. That should be teach. And providing health education and giving us a much respect as possible to the faith and belief of the family during the procedure. Okay, that is the purposes. To know the family and establish working relationship with the members, and to identify the health problem and investigate associated with the cause of problem, and to plan and implement care with the family, and to follow up treatment and care given by the family, and to evaluate health care, and to supervise and guide health worker to give the family health care. This is the purposes of the family health care settings. Now finish principle and purposes. Okay. Next, this is very important, home visiting. In all exam, in community health exam, there one question is the home visiting only. Okay, what is home visiting? Home visiting means the visit of a nurse into a family and the health service provided by nursing student into the community. Okay, home visiting means the visit of a nurse into a family and the health service provided by nursing student into the community. Nursing student home visiting is there. That is that because we want to give the services to the family. Okay, that is the home visiting. Home visit is the purposeful interaction in a home direct of the individual and the family. Home visit is a purposeful and interaction in a home directed at promoting and maintaining the health of individual and the family. That is the home visiting. Okay. A major distinction of home visiting is that the health professional goes to client rather than the client coming to the health professional. Okay. A major distinction to home visiting is the health professional goes to the client rather than the client coming to the health professional. It means we are going in one home, we are teaching the one member in that family means she also become a professional nurse. It means a health professional. Because we are going, we are teaching the patient relatives or patient caretaker. That time she also understand what is nursing, what is the procedure. That is the home visiting. Understand home visiting? Next one is the principle of home visiting. Home visit should be planned and with the purpose. The purposes of home visit should be clear and must meet the needs of the patient. And home visit should be regular and flexible. And home visiting should be educative. And home visiting should be given excellent opportunities for nurse to demonstrate the hygienic principle. And home visiting should be convenient, acceptable, and educate to the patient. That is the principle. Okay. In all visiting, we have a one principle. What is the principle? Home visiting means home visit should be planned with purpose. What purpose we are going in that home? We want to a plan. Without planning, we are entering one house means what will happen? They will beat. Okay. When we are going a home, we want to a plan. What purpose we are going in a home? That plan should be maintained. Okay. The purposes of home visiting should be clear and must meet the needs of the what is needed in that patient. That should know that we want to know. Okay, next home visit should be regular and flexible. It is a regular worker. It means irregular means that is not good. One day going visiting the patient, after 1 month we are not going, that is not good. Next home visiting should be educative. Okay, we are going home means we should educate the procedure and what we are doing, you should educate the people. Next, home visiting should give excellent opportunities for nurse to demonstrate hygienic principle. What is the demonstrate hygienic principle? That is a good training for home visiting, means a nurse. Okay. Next, home visit should be convenient, acceptable, and educate the patient. Next, home visit should be planned to the basis of need. Plan for regular home visiting program based on the prior. Regular home visiting should be planned. It is based on the priorities. Be sensitive to the person feeling and needs to the time of the visit. In visiting time, we want to sensitive. What is the person feeling, sir? Next, collect fact about the family and its members and environment and analyze the fact as an initial step in the visiting the home. Collect about the fact about the family and its members and environment and analyze the fact as an initial step in visiting the home. That is the principle of home visiting. Next, some point is there. Family members should be include all phases of the care process. The health worker, it means the teams, workers team is there. Just in the client home, therefore only make this intervention that is client agrees with the client goal and intervention may require long period to achieve, therefore patient and necessary. Home visiting can be done by health professional employed in the various way. The health team function autonomously in the family health care provision. The family and the team develop a positively interruptional relationship and they work to achieve the goal. And the health team is a visitor at a client, therefore the team must not wait to be motivated. Okay, here I am given more than 20 points, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, at least 50 points. You select 6 or 7 points and you should study the principle of home visiting. That is very, very important. Understand?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next
Yes,
one
ma'am.
is the advantage of home visiting. What is the advantage? Home visiting provide an excellent opportunity to implement the nursing process. Home visiting provide an excellent opportunities to implement the nursing process. And home visiting provide an opportunity to study the home and family situation. Okay, home visiting provide an opportunity to study the family, home and family situation. And home visiting provide an opportunity to render service to the family members at their own surrounding. And promote and proper home visiting create a good understanding between nurse and family and build a good image of home nurses. And home visiting clarify the doubt raised by the family members. That is advantage. It means she should make the good relationship with the family and she will understand what is the now what happening in that family and what is going on. She can understand easily that she is going and then she will make a good name in the community. Okay, home visiting help you to observe family practice and progresses of care given by nurses and others. And home visiting help to prevent and handling the problem. And home visiting help the nurses and family members to modify their way of the care. And home visiting are convenient for the patient. And home visiting facilities patient control of the settings. And home visiting are the best option for patient unwilling or unable to travel. And home visiting provide a natural environment of that discussion of concern and needs. Okay, when a nurse going a home and she is making a good relationship with the family means that is very good method. It is some patient can't travel properly in the hospital, but she is going and she is prevailing the advice to the patient means that is good. Okay, here also I am given 10 or 12 point. You should study the at least 5 point. Okay, advantage of home visiting. Next one is the role of community health nursing home visiting. Recording the history of the family to ascertain in the course and the duration of illness, providing treatment and related care, and demonstrating the nursing procedure to educate the family members. giving medicines as per the standing order and providing essential nursing care in the grave situation, and supervising the nursing procedure provided by the family members, including the patient himself to taken care of the chronic illness, heart arthritis, cancer, diabetic patient, and giving team mental support. This is the role of community. Same point togetherly coming in a principle and purposes and advantage and the role of community health nursing point, and the same only you can make the sentence and you should write the answer. Okay. Next one is the, okay, next back technique. Next that I will take tomorrow. Now understand what is home visiting. Now home visiting finished. It means this much enough for you study in home visiting. Home visiting is very, very important in community health nursing. Understand? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Family health
Clear.
care setting, principle.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, home visiting, principle, advantage, and the role of community health nursing home nursing. Okay. Tomorrow I will take back technique.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
അവിടെ കളഞ്ഞോ പിന്നെ ആര് അവിടെ നേരത്തോ ചേർന്നു നോക്കി വണ്ടി ഉണ്ടോ അവൻ ചോറ് കഴിച്ചു